Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name's Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this menacing Honda Civic 1.5 VTEC Turbo Sport CVT. Now this vehicle is currently on 18,776 miles and it's finished in the colour Bellina Black. It's had 3 services which were all completed at a Honda dealership, and if you'd like more information please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. And now let's take a look around the vehicle here. Starting at the front, you do have very stylish LED headlights that light up the road nicely, giving you great visibility. They also complement the vehicle as well. Your 17-inch alloy wheels there to the side, your indicator integrated into the door mirror. You also have rear privacy glass, giving the vehicle a very sporty look. Take a look inside to the rear now. You've got a gorgeous black cloth interior. You do have ice fix points on the outer seat, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. There's a pull-out armrest there on the middle seat with 2 cup holders as well, and overall you do have a nice amount of space here for rear passengers to travel comfortably. Heading to the rear of the vehicle now, you do have a very nice large dual exhaust there in the centre. Let's go ahead and open up the boot now. You can see you do have a very spacious amount of boot space here. You can fit plenty in there, such as a weekly shop, and have plenty of room left over. There's some additional storage underneath the boot floor as well, and you do have tethering points so you can tie any loads down if you need to, if you don't want things moving around freely in the vehicle. Handle up top allows you to easily close the tailgate, and moving around now, let's go ahead and take a look inside here up front. You do have your leather multifunction steering wheel there. You've got a nice grey gloss finish across the dashboard. Your front seats here, and you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. There's an armrest there in the centre console as well, so you can travel comfortably, and there's storage underneath it as well. Now that we've had a look around, I'm now going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that this Honda Civic has to offer. So hopping in and starting on the driver's door, you will find your electric mirror adjustments that include folding. With the folding, you can quickly fold the mirrors in and keep them nice and protected, which is super handy, for example, when parking on narrow roads, as you can prevent them from being knocked off by other road users, as they do tuck nice and tightly into the vehicle. You've got your door locks there and your button for locking the rear windows if you don't want rear passengers to put them down. On the dashboard here, you've got access to some of your driver features, including your lane departure warning, your parking sensors and traction control. I'll get into some of the driver safety features later in the video. You do have automatic wipers as well as headlights, so when set to auto you don't have to worry about turning them on. They will turn on when necessary, allowing you to keep focused on the road and not lose concentration. You do have your indicator stalk there with the headlight controls at the end of it. You also have front and rear fog lamps as well, which are great for when the visibility is poor. Moving to the right of the steering wheel now, you do have your adaptive cruise control, which is ideal for those longer journeys, as it means you don't have to keep your foot held on the accelerator the whole time, allowing you to arrive to your destination with a bit more comfort and less straining your foot. It's extremely ideal if you're frequently on the motorway. With the adaptive feature, you can set up a distance that the vehicle will then keep you from vehicles ahead, automatically slowing down and then speeding back up to the original speed you've got set when it's safe to do so, without you having to touch the brake or accelerator pedal. You can see there, adjusting it. You also have a speed limiter you can use as well. Here to the left, you've got your volume controls for the entertainment system. You can also change the source of audio as well as track and station. You have a button there for accessing different features that you can display here on the very nice digital display you have in the instrument cluster. You can display the speed limit recognition on there. Now here in the centre of the dashboard, you've got your touchscreen infotainment system where you can access your radio with DAB, FM and AM radio. With your DAB, you have nice clear audio quality as it's digital, so if you love listening to the radio, you can enjoy it nice and clearly. And it's very easy to find and tune your favourite stations into the vehicle with a list of all different stations here you can go through to tune in. You can then save to the presets there at the bottom of the display. You've got your phone menu here where you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go, so you can keep up to date with whatever you need to, and it ensures you don't miss any important phone calls while you're driving. You can pair your device up very easily to the vehicle, add Bluetooth devices there. You can then search for the vehicle on your device. Moving on now, you do have the smartphone connection. You can connect your compatible smartphone here with the USB port and access all different features. Pairing your smartphone up nice and easily there. You've got information here where you can see trip information, see your trip history compared to your current driving, your navigation here so you can be sure you're never lost and can take this vehicle to all new destinations with ease. It's very nice, clear, easy to follow guidance. It's a very nice, vibrant coloured display. You can change the view of the map using the pinch to zoom method on the touchscreen. Moving on now, you do have access to the app center there with an internet connection. You can then access your app list for all the applications that you have on the vehicle. Now you do have a reverse camera, giving you added confidence when parking, as it gives you a nice 180-degree view to the rear. It's activated when you select the reverse gear. Down below here now you do have your dual zone climate control that allows the driver and passenger to make their own preferred temperature choices for their side of the vehicle, preventing any arguments on being too hot or too cold. You can sync up to have the same temperature throughout the interior if you wish to as well. And all your climate information is also displayed on the touchscreen, where you can make adjustments to the direction of airflow and also the fan speed there, and turn the air conditioning on and off. It's very easy to use overall as well. You even have a heated rear windscreen and door mirrors, so you can defrost those to see clearly to the rear. Your automatic gear selector there. You've got your econ button there for driving more fuel efficient. Thanks for watching this video on the Honda Civic 1.5 VTEC Turbo Sport CVT. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.